He's an international peace activist and has been working for unity among all religions. And he's been especially working for unity between Hindus and Muslims. And I would like to extend a warm welcome to him to give us his words today. Thank you.
इनका स्पीकर नीचे करें बेटे, माइक।
Dr. Qadri Sahab, respected all big dignitaries on the dais and spiritual leaders and all my lovely family members came from each and every corner of UK and around the world. Now I am representative not only India, but now I am a representative of Almighty Supreme Power, it's Allah. We are implementing some plans of lovely Allah. Allah has created the beautiful world to give the happiness to all living beings in the world. But from time to time, some problems has been arised in the world. We are implementing the plans of Allah. At the time of 2 world wars, there was no breeze, there was no organization of all spiritual leaders, unity, lack of unity among all spiritual leaders, and lack of unity of all NGOs of the world. If at that 2 world wars, such type of world war, destruction of the war. So, as per Allah's plan, we are trying to making the unity among all spiritual leaders of all religions, and we are making unity among all NGOs of the world. So, this work has started before 30 years from India, and we have get some best results. Just I will report to the foot our respected Dr. Qadri Sahab. Nowadays, 550 big dignitaries are working with us from Pakistan, and we 50 lakhs people are working from India. Out of 50 lakhs, 25 lakhs are working with us, Muslim brothers and sisters. We have taken my beautiful world must not be destroyed by any war, so that we have tried from time to time. We have prevented 2 wars between Pakistan and India, and we have prevented the war between US and North Korea before 2 years. Some, as per plan of Allah, is working around the world, and from time to time we give the message, we convince those people who desire to fight in the world. So we have convinced the President of USA, Donald Trump, by the great Muslim Sajid Tarar Bhai, is living with US President Donald Trump. He is from Karachi, but now he is resident of US. By this person, we have prevented the war among US and North Korea before 2 years. Nowadays, US and war among Iran. We have tried to prevent that war also by help of six big dignitaries, peace ambassadors working with Donald Trump. Majority are Muslims. And we convinced Donald Trump, please don't war with Iran. And from two big scholars from India, one is from Lucknow and one is from Kargil of Kashmir. Both I have best relation. We are meeting from time to time. We convince from our Minister of Lagumati Minister of Mukti Abar Nagwis hotlines, we convince the government of Iran that we convince the America, US, they will not war with Iran, so you have not started war with US. Such type of activities we are running, and as per Allah's plan, I came here to put our respected Dr. Qadri Sahab. Now, by strength of your organizations, we will prevent the war among all the world. We will give the safety to among all the world, because this is the aim of Allah, that my lovely world must be safe and safety. And Allah is introduced his plan like these spiritual scholars present in the world. So we are making the unity among this type of scholars of the world, and we are giving the assurance that at the presence of myself, Swami Vishwa and Dr. Qadri Sahab, when we are present on the earth, we will prevent the world among the old world, and we will convince the people, we will convince the government of all countries which are desire to initiate the war. So I am reporting this type of activities. Dr. Qadri Sahab, Salaam Alaikum. Thank you very much.
Thank you to Swami Vishwa Anand for a great talk. Next, I would like to invite our sponsor, one of our sponsors, Minhaj Welfare Foundation, to do a quick presentation about their work, their charitable and welfare work around the world. This is Adnan Sahel. Thank you.
Rahim. First of all, on behalf of Minhaj Welfare Foundation, we would like to welcome you all to Manchester, being one of the main sponsors for the Quran launch. It's a great honor to see a lot of brothers and sisters gather here in Manchester. Due to the short time that we have, I'll try to be very quick. On the TV screens, you'll be able to see some of the presentations of